So today's project is to take these old shipping crates and mouse proofing them. I'm going to use carpenter's cloth, half by half I think, and cut them and line all of these boxes so that I can put old photographs. My father and mother have been storing photographs for decades, and there's a slew of them, and I don't know what to do with them. So I'm going to try to put them in crates that are mouse proof, because I've seen a lot of mouse proof damage or mouse damage. Just got to do it that way, I guess, and just put them down in one of the buildings, and I don't know, photographs. So I'm taking this carpenter's cloth or hardware cloth, and I'm just taking a pair of dikes, and we measure the bottom. This is going on the bottom of the first crate, which is 17.5 by 28.5. So we'll snip these. The only thing about it is the cloth is 24 inches wide, so there's going to be a lot of waste. There's the floor for this one. So I went out to the hardware store and got that cloth, or got that netting, whatever, and I picked up this Arrow stapler, which shoots Arrow T50 staples, and I picked up 1/2 inch, thinking that that's probably as much as I needed, which was kind of interesting because I have tried this already and it doesn't put the 1/2 inch all the way in, but should have known that was going to happen. But we'll take this bottom, see if it fits. Let's do it the other way. Hi, what you doing? Leonard's helping me. We had some photographs in this one, and the mice had gotten in, and they just destroyed everything. So this is the only way to do it up here in the woods. The woods of Maine, is to make everything mouse proof. Now we'll see if these staples work. Oh yeah, that'll work good. Girl, is that gonna work? You think that will work? Huh? Yeah. That'll work. Missed that hole. There we go. Yeah, no mice are going to get in that bottom. No! Whoa. Keep missing them. No, that's the thing about this. Well, what we'll do here, we'll put a mark on this gun so I know where the center of the staple is fired. Misfire. I didn't even drive it in. Brand new staple gun. Well, that ought to work. Now all we have to do is the sides and the top. Should have a mouse-proof crate. Well, it's coming. I'm surprised how much material I'm using to put it in these boxes, but there's a 24-inch by 5 roll all done, and I've got a 24 by 10 foot roll here that I probably won't be able to do both boxes, but I'll be able to do one. Start putting those photographs in there and store them away for somebody who buys the house 20-30 years from now and doesn't know anybody in the photographs. But what do you do with photographs? I guess you could digitally transfer them into a database, but that's a lot of work. Too much work for me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good day.